Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Block Break. On Thursday, it is May the 29th. We are breaking Gold Rush Funko's two boxer from a case we started just tonight. We randomed up our four remaining box numbers. We got 1 and 5. We did pick a name, get 2 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers, makes trading and such easier. The one trade that did go down has been entered. Let me just double check. He said sure. Hang on. That's a bit pointless, but all right, here we go, guys. Everybody gonna see it once. Bam! Wow, well, gonna be a Chevy Chase, folks. Gonna be Chevy. And the Clark Griswold, guys. Beckett hologram honor. Get it so that damn we can see the seg. Not a bad hit there, and I do believe that was SD Pliskin, right? Yes, sir. Alright, here comes box and box. 5 for you. Alright, here we go. Bam! Ouch! Well, I'm sorry about that one, bud. D-Jen was on the case on that one. Mike Singletary. Sorry, Mr. Nasty there. Has a Beckett hologram on there. D-Jen. Mike Singletary, guys. That was one of the traded players. Alright, D-Jen. Gotta get the Singletary there, folks. That's gonna wrap up that 2-boxer, guys. We got 2 more boxes here tonight. Call out your keeps, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Join us, won't you, at Bobby Two Pops Breaks.